But अगर मैं specifically wedding planning and events की बात करूँ पाकिस्तान में, we see that there are very few people who stick around and do it year on year.
Yeah.
थोड़े ऐसे बात लोग एग्जिट ले लेते हैं, खुद बोर हो जाते हैं, थक जाते हैं. I've also seen a lot of event managers, corporate and otherwise, जो कहते हैं the kind of pressures because things are not getting smoother.
Yeah.
I'm very glad that you said कि मैं innovate करता हूँ उसमें जो even जो sub tasks हैं, जो छोटी चीज़ें हैं, if there is a smarter way of doing that, we try to deploy it. But in Pakistan, I've only seen event managers and I've worked with all of them turn around and say कि सिद्रा हमारे यहाँ Murphy's Law in action. It's always in action, and it's probably Mrs. Murphy's Law in action all the time. So how do you navigate that, and does that, you know?
Yeah. So again, I think you have to be made of something different, right? Like, firstly, I feel like you need to learn how to delegate, right? Like, we have three branches now, one in Dubai, one in the United States, same company, and I have zero say in the companies. I have no idea absolutely what happens in those companies. So we've hired the right people, we've delegated, and we've empowered them, right? Because after that, I've done multiple other companies, a software company that we, Cloud IT wins that we launched pre-COVID. So we've done multiple other companies, went into angel investment now, the fund, and then FCI, emerging markets. So the only reason I could do that was because I had to empower someone else and give my knowledge, right? And share that information. And I think the reason why event managers maybe, or like people in the hospitality sector, maybe you're saying they burn out. It's truly because it's not that they burn out, it's because they don't learn how to delegate.
You know, it's very interesting you say that because just yesterday I was reading this article जिसमें यही बात हो रही थी. उन्होंने कहा कि if you think you've quit your corporate job and you're now a startup, cool founder of some great idea, lekin if that idea cannot function without you, then I'm sorry, you've just gotten yourself another job. ना वो कभी scale up करेगी, ना वो आपके बगैर function करेगी, तो आपको लग रहा है कि आप, you know, you've become this really cool, suave founder, but you're not. And you were able to do that. But, you know, you come across as a perfectionist. Perfectionist के लिए delegate करना मुश्किल होता है. Or are you not a perfectionist?
I think I used to be. It really does like tick me off, like where things are not done at that highest level. It really annoys me to my core. But at the same time, I've come to the conclusion that even if it's done 80% at that level of proficiency, I'm fine. I'll live with it. I'll go sit in my sauna and I'll survive. Like I'll take the heat away from